Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today with a Fab Fit Fun unboxing. Okay, let's hop right in. Okay, so I show you guys, their boxes are always so pretty. And let's see what it looks like on the inside. On the inside, just as pretty. Whoops. So, alrighty, I'm going to set it over here to the side and show you guys. So every month they always send a magazine, and it gives you a little bit of information about what they've sent, plus a few more articles. They're always cute. They always send a gift card, and this one is for HelloFresh, and then and that's more Fab Fit Fun. So, okay, and the tissue is taped with a really cute little heart sticker. Alright, and now let's see. Oh yeah, look at this. I am super excited. So everybody has written me how much they're tired of being hot and they're ready for fall. and I like it hot, but I'll admit, you know, by the time August hit here, we've had a really mild spring and early summer, and then now it's been brutal. And so my poor husband, because he works out on the property and it's so hot, you know, when he gets off of work, and yeah, for everybody's sake, I'm ready for fall to get here too. So, but look at this gorgeous, this is just a plaid scarf, and I may keep it or I may give it away, but I definitely chose this, and of course you get all the little, you know, paper squinches, but it is, I'm trying to see what it's made of. Oh, it's navy charcoal and white. Huh, I guess that's true. Anyways, oh, let's see, 70% polyester, 30 viscose, and viscose. Anyways, but it's really pretty, and it has this darling little fringe. So, super cute, and this is by Plush Apparel. So, pardon me, really cute. Let me grab a sip of my drink. One of the great things about this particular program is you can go in and pre-select some of the things that you get in your box. Hold on one sec. And that makes it really, really nice. I'm sorry, excuse me. Gotta get a sip of kombucha. Okay. So, the next thing here is a Comedex Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. And I don't know. I'm not sure what that's for. I know it's for your skin, for your face, but it says mix crystals with a few shakes with any of your favorite Comedex products and apply to face. So I guess that boosts whatever you're using to clean your skin with, or moisturizing, or whatever. I don't know. And this is Aveda, and this is the Damage Remedy. This is Daily Hair Repair. This is for me. So, my youngest and I went and got our haircut yesterday. My husband was like, no. How much did y'all get cut off? And you know, my youngest daughter has very long hair, and she and I basically get the back of her hair cut twice a year. And so I had like an inch or a little. She was supposed to cut an inch. It was more like 2. And then for my youngest, it was supposed to be 4. And I think they kind of kept it there. But my husband was like, how short is y'all's hair? Because he really likes long hair. Well, my daughter's hair is to the middle of her back, easily. And mine is just below my shoulders. So, we didn't cut that much. But I do need the Damage Remedy, and Aveda is such a good product. So, alright, now, oh, Aromatherapy, yay, Deep Relax. So this is for me too. I hate to say it, I'm kind of sound selfish on this one, but let me see. I don't really smell it. Oh, now I do. This is Deep Relax Aromatherapy, and it's made in London. And yeah, okay. I don't think it has that heavy a smell, but it is nice. Okay, and I'm really a lavender girl, so, and this is Body Souffle. So, and I think I'm going to give this to someone that I know could enjoy that. And the body souffle, let's smell what this is like. Oh, is it sealed? Let me see. It's kind of got a weird seal on it. Let me see here. Okay, it's not going to let me open it that way. So I'm going to have to actually break a seal. So, you can hardly tell it is sealed. That's kind of weird, huh? Usually you can see them, or there's like a place that's perforated, or, you know, something like that. But not on this one. Okay. Let me see if I can get a little bit more going here. This is very interesting. Okay, here we go. Let's try it. The only problem I hate when you do that is sometimes it cuts through and cuts the plastic underneath that you're trying not to be careful. You know, try not to do that. Oh, it just seems to happen. Hold on one sec. Wow, they have got this baby sealed up tight. They definitely, there we go. Oh, well, there was a breaking thing. I couldn't see it. And it actually barely breaks, so not totally crazy. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, I like that. And my hands have been so dry today, so let's try a little bit. I love that. It smells so good. Ooh, it smells good. This one is skincare with a conscience and vegan and cruelty-free. It's all natural, and it doesn't say if it has a flavor. But feeling super moisturized. Okay, well, I agree. I feel super moisturized. And I don't feel greasy at all. That may stay in here, or when I move into my craft cottage. Okay, this I picked because I'm super excited. This is the salt pepper shaker that's the grinder, and I think it is a great idea. My husband gave me a set one year, and it was rose gold, and my youngest picked it out, and they found it at Tuesday morning, but the salt on it, it completely rusted out. It was on like a little wire rack. The wire rack rusted, and it just is the biggest, I'm sorry, mess. So, and this is plastic, so it's BPA free. Oh, that's easy. You unload, and you put it in, and then you grind away, and then there is perfect. And none of this, for my sore hands, is hard to open. So, super easy peasy lemon squeezy. And this is kind of like one of those all-in-ones to be perfect if you're traveling too, because a lot of times we stay in like apartment type hotels when we travel. So, all right, I'm just going to leave that out, and I will put that there. Okay, now I think, oh, I've got two more things. Hold on. Ooh, what is that? A juice cleanse. So, exfoliating sugar cubes, and take a single cube with you in the shower or bath. Gently massage all over wet skin, concentrating on rough areas. Recommended use is twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering. For body only, etc. So, oh my gosh, that smells amazing. And I imagine that if we cut these in half, they would be just as useful. Wow, they have a lot of moisturizer in there. I like that. And this is by Harper R.E. So I think what I'm going to do is just keep my little knife for these kinds of things in the bathroom, and I'll just cut them in half and use them. And that way, you know, I don't waste too much of it, if that makes any sense. Okay, last thing. I don't think I need that. So I have some goodies for gifts, which is always nice. And I saw this, and I thought, isn't that pretty? So, let's see what it looks like. It's a cheese, kind of like tray. With cheese and fruit, cheese, and if you do meat, which, you know, we don't, we're so boring. But, yeah, it really is pretty. And then it has a little ceramic insert. I believe that's ceramic. Hold on. Yeah, wood, ceramic, and stainless steel. Our son and daughter-in-law they're in the process of buying a new home. So I think I'm going to keep this. Even though they can't eat cheese, they do eat like cheese alternative with occasional cheese. But I think I'm going to do a little gift basket, and I'll put that in it. And I think that'll be a neat, like, you know, welcome home. Here's your spaghetti. Here's your noodles, you know, kind of gift. So, let me pull that back out so you can see it. All right, not bad this month. FabFitFun has done a great job. And honestly, all the little, like, scrunchy things on the inside of that, between that and Felicity Jane, I'm not buying any of that stuff for Christmas this year. So I have enough to put it on my gift bags. Okay, friends, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. FabFitFun is a subscription. You get it 4 times a year, and it really is a very nice subscription. You can go in and pick what you like. You can pick part of it. You can pick all of it. You can pick none of it, and they can do it for you. So I have had very few things that either I didn't need, or maybe they weren't my cup of tea, but I knew that they would bless somebody else. So it's kind of a nice way, even if you don't keep everything, that you have like gifts in your, you know, in your closet or whatever, that if you have to give a last minute gift, or if you're just planning ahead for Christmas and birthdays. So not a bad solution. And it's a great way to try things you would never ever in a million years try. I would never go out and find these and try these. So if it doesn't happen at Target, and I don't even go to Walmart that much, so if it doesn't happen at Target, in our local HEB, our local grocery store, which is HEB, it just doesn't happen in my life these days. So, but I'm really glad to have things like this that I would try, and, you know, would be something that might, you know, make things nicer in life. So, all right, my dear sweet friends, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment, share this video, whatever would be an encouragement to you or somebody else. We are almost to the 1100 mark on subscriptions, or subbies for those who subscribe. And if when we hit 1200, I've got a great drawing right over there. I'm super excited. So guys, hopefully we'll hit that 1200 mark soon, and I will have another amazing giveaway. I've got one at 1200, 1400, and a phenomenal one that I just ordered yesterday for the 2000 mark. I mean, I would love to get this. So, and we're going to have 2 drawings of it. I am super excited. So, like I said, share this video if it helped somebody else, and it would encourage them. Because this is what this channel is about. It's supposed to be about encouraging others through Bible study, through planning, through fun hauls like this, just, you know, crafts in general. So anyways, yeah, so I hope that encourages you and others to say thank you. Thank you for being a part of this channel, and thank you for sharing this channel. And yeah, you know, if you're not subscribed, please, I'm going to ask you, why not? We'd love to have you. And if you do subscribe, say hi. I'd love to say hi back. All right, friends, now I'm going to let you go. You guys have a great day. Pray again that it is blessed, creative, and so very, very lovely. I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.